Alright, got a 2010 F150. This thing's jammed up. So I'm gonna guess it's a door handle. Gotta get back there. It's flopping. So it could be a cable, but I'm gonna guess for the door handle. So we gotta get this door panel off and get in there, see what's up. So let's do that. I think it's supposed to take like 35 minutes. But that's only if you know what you're doing. You got a little cover tab. I know there's a bolt behind this thing. Looks like I'm gonna need a hook for that. I don't have the right hook. Okay. I'm going for one of these hooks now. That thing's in there pretty tight. And most vehicles, not that much of a struggle to get this. Let me see it jiggling. Get this out. Definitely popped loose. There we go. Damn, dude. That shouldn't be so hard. This guy is facing that way with this lip on the inside. It's got a tab right here, a tab on the top and the bottom. You can just see it. 1, 2, and there's another one down here at 3. Those are the tabs. That shouldn't have been that hard, but that was a little pain in the butt. It looks like about an 8mm right there. And let's find out. I say 10mm would be my guess. No, I think it was the 8. Yeah. Let's see. 8mm. That'd be nice if I have all my tools lined up, huh? Alright. Okay, there's that guy. And place him in position. You know what? I'm gonna have to do a door panel on this. So, we got a clip here. I'm gonna try and do this thing without taking the panel off. So there's 2 tabs. See those 2 tabs? I'm gonna grab a needle nose. Try and squeeze those. See if I can pop that cable out of there. I'm rotating it so it lines up with probably need a bigger set of needle nose than these. Ooh, got one of them in there. Yeah, a bigger set of needle nose pliers would work better. Get more leverage. So let's try that. I don't know if we need that big or if these are too big and they won't fit in there, but let's see. Come on. I just want to get it started in its path so that I can slip that thing out and then undo the cable. Okay. I actually was able to pop this guy right here out by sliding up on it because it sockets in that handle. I still got to get those two tabs out, but the cable's moving freely. So if I can get these two tabs to squeeze and pop through, we're going to be in business. Oh, there we go. Oh, yeah. All right. Those are the tabs. Let's see, right here. Okay. So that's it. I pinch those. They went in here. And this cable moves in and out. We should be able to do this without pulling the door off. Look at that nice new handle here from Dorman. Not my favorite company in the world, but they do seem to have a lot of this kind of stuff available. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to try and do here is take this piece, slide it down into this notch with the cable going through the groove, and then extend the cable around so it slides through this, and then snap this connector back on. That's the plan, guys. Let's see how it goes. Okay, I actually need my glasses. These old eyes aren't working as good as they used to. Okay. Cable's in. So now I'm gonna stretch that and I'm gonna push the tab in. See if it snaps in. And it does. And what's up?
Just here to pick up that little toe there.
Yeah, give me a second. Okay, so that's snapped in. I just gotta put the bolt back in and a 3-clip cover and we're done.
No hurry.
Have fun. I'll fix them.